Okay, so I have some 0.5 millimeter stretchy string, right? And we are going to make a bracelet. Let me show everybody a simple trick on how to properly secure the other end. So you take a dummy bead. I try to use one that's not part of the sequence or the actual bracelet itself. So this bead right here, I'm going to put on. So once you have that one bead on, you're just going to tie it onto itself by just doing a simple knot, just like that. And you want it so that it's at least long enough for whatever it is you're making. So it's a bracelet, and that would be about 4 inches, maybe like 6 inches. All right, and then you simple knot it, and then you double knot it again. So again, make another knot just the same exact way and pull it, and then tighten it all the way. Okay, so tighten that really hard, and now you can cut this end right here. All right, I try to cut it maybe, see it's still loosening, which means that I didn't tie it tight enough. So let's try to tighten it all the way. All right, almost to the point where you might think it's gonna snap. All right, I like to cut it maybe like that much, just a tiny bit, so it's not gonna get caught later on, and I'll show you what I mean. All right, now that you have your string, that is going to prevent any beads from falling off. So we're gonna make a bracelet using these colors right here.
Some of them look really sparkly.
This green and pink, this white and pink, and this green and yellow. So that will be our sequence. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna get this green and pink one first. Put it in the little tiny hole. Okay. And bring it down, and as you can see, it cannot go down any further because of this bead, which is going to make it so much easier. All right. Okay, next bead. Do you want to help out, Jude?
Yeah.
All right, so this is what I'm going to do.
Really squeaky.
I am going to move this.
I don't know why.
Over here. Can you reach here? Okay, I'm going to hold it, and you're going to put the bead on. I'm going to hand you the bead, okay? So here.
I can't stop using
No, put it on while I hold it. We're going to do teamwork. Good job.
Pull it.
Mm-hmm. And then I'll grab you the next bead. Here you go.
I want to make a peach color one too.
Okay, we could do that after.
Just like I gave one to Dr. Cat.
Okay, well we could do one afterwards. We can call it Peaches and Cream.
It's gonna look very delicious though.
Ooh.
It's gonna look very delicious though.
The peach one?
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna look like peach candy.
I might want to eat it.
Okay. Grab the next one. Here you go. Here. Put it on.
This one looks like a mermaid one.
It does. I like the color too.
They're pretty tricky to get on.
I don't think I'm holding it down enough for you. Maybe you should grab the top after you drop it down. Okay.
Okay.
Next one over here.
I can't do all the beads. I don't like doing every single thing.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to see the hole because the crack, right? Nope, it's over here.
I can't see it. Is my eye pink anymore?
A little bit. I think it's from the chlorine. You went in the water? That's probably why.
It was clean though.
You went in a pool or you just went in sprinklers?
Creek pool.
A creek pool? Really? There's a creek pool?
That's real.
Where?
You're not one of one. I don't think I can explain that well.
No?
At that water park.
It's at a water park? Is that the one you went to yesterday?
Yeah.
Wow, you went to 2 different water parks. Well, the same water park 2 days in a row? That's cool. Forgot, how many did we put in? 18 for your wrist? Or 16? I think it was 18. Do you remember?
No.
Why don't you go get your other bracelet? Go get 2 of your bracelets so I can...
I don't know where they are though.
No. Are you gonna lose those too?
What is this?
It's a water tube. Three, 6, 9, 12, 15. So I'm gonna do 3 more. I think it's 18 beads for your wrist. We'll check it out afterwards. Alrighty.
Already. Already. I have to like kind of yawn to make that voice. Already.
You're tired? 2. Is that a fake yawn?
No.
Alright, so we got 18 now. And now I'm going to show you how to loop it back around to itself really easily. Alright, so right here, we got this bead. We're going to cross it, and this bead makes it much easier. We're going to bring this down around, creating that little twist right there. Pull it, and then you're going to create another knot. I like to put my finger right here, wrap it around.
Oh my goodness, I'm yawning so much.
You
My
are.
eyes are watery.
Is this tutorial boring?
Yeah.
And then bring this over the back and through that little hole. Okay, so there, I just created my second knot, and you can see right there that knot is being created, and then tighten it. Tighten it until it's like completely no slack on the bracelet, and then pull both the bottom and the top. So this is the tricky part. You want to pull all 4 sides of that string and pull it apart, and once that knot is kind of tight, you can pull it apart really hard. Just like that, pulling all 4 sides. And once that knot is super tight, I like to just do it one more time. So again, you're creating a loop just like this. See that little hole that I just created?
Yeah.
I have this bead going to the back of the string on the right. All right? And I'm gonna flip that bead forward in through that loop right there. And through that little loop I created. Just like that. And that just created another knot that I'm going to just pull these two super tight. And there you go. That is the end. And what I like to do at this point is just cut. Don't cut too close to the knot because that'll make it fall apart. I'm just gonna cut slightly to the right, maybe like take a look. Like
I'm gonna go see Piper.
like that much.
I'm gonna go see Piper.
Oh, we didn't see Roberta outside.
Yes, I did.
You did?
At the park. Have her.
Like that much.
What?